You washed your hair yesterday and today it is already limp, flat and greasy at the roots. If it sounds familiar, your scalp feels oily within a day or just hours after washing, you're not alone. An oily scalp is incredibly common but often misunderstood. What's causing all this excess oil and how can you manage it without overwashing or stripping your hair dry? Let's break it down. First, why does the scalp get oily in the first place? Your scalp, like your skin, produces sebum, a natural oil that keeps your hair soft, shiny and protected. But when those glands go into overdrive, that's when you're left with hair that feels greasy, heavy and flat at the roots. And the ends feel dry. Common triggers can include genetics. Some of us are born with oilier scalps, hormonal changes like puberty or PCOS, or even stress. Overwashing, heavy or wrong hair products, and hot and humid climate can all contribute to a greasier scalp. So how do you take care of an oily scalp without drying out your strands or worsening the problem? Here are my expert tips. Use a gentle clarifying shampoo 2 to 3 times a week. Look for shampoos with salicylic acid, zinc PCA or tea tree oil. My product recommendations are below. These ingredients help to break down oil and product buildup without irritating your scalp. Avoid harsh sulfates or overly stripping shampoos. They can actually signal your scalp to produce more oil to overcompensate. Don't skip the conditioner, just use it right. Conditioner is important, especially for your lengths and ends. Just remember to apply it mid-length only, never on the scalp. Rethink your hair care products. Use lightweight, non-comedogenic products that are labeled volumizing or balancing. Heavy creams, serums or oils on the roots can be a recipe for buildup. Scalp exfoliation once a week is a game changer. Use a scalp scrub or a chemical exfoliant AHA, BHA to get rid of the buildup from the follicles. This reduces greasiness and supports hair growth. My product recommendations are below. Hands off. Touching or brushing your hair too often spreads the oil from the scalp down to the strands. Brush it once or twice a day and clean your brush regularly. Watch your wash frequency. Washing your hair every single day might feel like a solution, but it often creates a vicious cycle. Try spacing out washes slowly with the help of dry shampoo, especially on your non-wash days. Diet and hydration matter. Oily, processed foods and dairy can sometimes worsen scalp oiliness. Stay hydrated and eat clean. Your skin and scalp will thank you. If you notice flakes, itching or inflammation, it is best to consult a dermatologist. The bottom line, an oily scalp is manageable and in some ways a sign of health. Sebum protects your scalp and hair, it just needs balance. So cleanse smart, not hard. Condition with care. Don't fear the oil, just learn to control it. If you have your own oily scalp hacks, drop them in the comments. I'm listening. And don't forget to subscribe to Clinically for more dermatologist-backed hair and skincare insights. Balanced scalp, better hair days. Let's go.